Hello everyone, welcome to Piggy. I'm sure you guys have heard of Peppa Pig by now. And what a great way to start this game. I just got in the game, and you know what? Wow, what a great way to start this. But you guys have seen, there's only 2 people in this one. That's pretty depressing. It's weird how as soon as I start, there's gotta be a bad thing going on. Piggy's gone for 20 seconds. What the frick did you shoot her with? Ooh. Alright then. So, it's basically a combination between Peppa Pig and Granny. The game of Granny and the skin of Peppa Pig. Who doesn't love that? Am I right? I really like how this intro goes. It's pretty cool. So, what have you done? What's happening? I don't really know what's happening. Are you escaping? Apparently. The frick? Uh-oh. Hey, go. Piggy's coming. Piggy's coming. Piggy's coming upstairs. I think. I saw her. Oh, there's Piggy. Piggy's a bot, isn't she? Yep, that's a bot. That's definitely a bot. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Run, run. The frick? What the frick was the dog doing there? I'm sorry. What? Is there something I'm missing here? Hmm. Huh. This makes sense. Oh, look, there's me. There's only 3 of us? That's pretty upsetting, actually. That's sad. Only 3 of us. And how many people are in the server? Probably a lot. Oh, wait, now there's 4 people. That's at least a good sign. Yay! 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 Alright, which one are we going to? We're going to chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Looks like people are going for chapter 1. Okay, maybe chapter 2.
What the heck? What are you doing?
I'm playing a game. What's it look like I'm doing?
Playing Piggy.
Exactly. It's playing a game. I feel like we should just go for this. I don't know why, but you know what? Why not? A Piggy and a bot. Piggy and a bot. I hope I'm gonna be Piggy. Wink, wink, wink.
Are you recording?
Yes, I'm recording. Maybe I'll be Piggy. And then someone will be a bot. Actually, no one can be a bot.
There's only 4 players in the game.
In this one round. Oh wait, I don't think it. Wait, hold on. I think those monsters, they were our friends. I'm sorry.
You're Piggy, I'm pretty sure.
It's getting late. Maybe we should get some rest. Who's this dog?
Has there been an update?
Yeah, there has been an update. There's been chapter 6. Doggy, where are you? I'm sorry? Doggy? What happened to you? Wait, what do you mean? What's wrong with Doggy? Doggy, you okay?
He has woken up. Run! Run like heck, AJ!
Oh, I should probably do that.
Uh-oh, Lucy. She's gonna freak out.
Yes, that's true. Sorry I wasn't able to show the gameplay, guys. There was something really loud going on. I didn't want to record that.
Whew!
Sure.
Alright, I'm back.
I paused it pretty much. I just pretty much paused it during the entire thing. So I wasn't even able to get the actual good part. And luckily we have an intermission. Start a new round.
Are you being Piggy?
I don't know. I'm not the one who has to be picked to do Piggy. Let's do chapter 5. I want to try doing chapter 6. Hey, please, come on, let's do chapter 6. I don't know what chapter 6 is. Oh, too late then. We got to do chapter 1.
Oh yeah, chapter 1 is the best.
How do you know you never played Piggy?
Yeah, I've seen people play it. Like Gaming with Kev or Dennis.
I'm sure you have.
Gaming with Kev's the best.
Nope.
Don't forget to subscribe to Gaming with Kev.
No, actually, Dennis is better than
Do
Gaming with
not
Kev.
subscribe to do not.
You're right.
No,
You're right. You're right.
Subscribe
You're
to
right.
Gaming with Kev. Do not subscribe to Dennis.
You're right. Don't subscribe.
Dennis is horrible.
So how come he has more subscribers than
Fine,
Dennis?
subscribe to Dennis and Gaming with Kev.
Actually, don't subscribe to Gaming with Kev. He's not any good.
He's like the best YouTuber.
Actually, no. Markiplier is the best YouTuber.
You never seen Gaming with Kev's videos.
Yes, I have.
No, you haven't.
Yes, I have.
No, you haven't.
But I have a nickname for him, which I'm not going to mention in this thing, in this video.
I'll say it.
Don't, please don't.
I'll say if you don't subscribe.
You already made me subscribe to him many times, actually. Because you're always
your
on.
computer.
No, if I subscribe on my phone, it will be subscribed on my computer, you idiot. You're an idiot. Well, not to worry about that. Pretty sure there's a Piggy and bot in this video.
Well, you better run because Piggy's down. Get shot.
I don't want to deal with Piggy. Where is Piggy? Piggy? Ugh. Why am I not going downstairs? Oh, Piggy woke up. The frick? Piggy, are you stuck to the floor? Oh wait, nope, not anymore. If she was, she's not anymore. Oh, hello. That's a thing apparently. Ooh. It's a purple key.
What do you need a purple key for?
I don't know. That's the people who made this game. Please tell me there's something I can get. Nope, doesn't look like it. Hey, found a purple key. Guys, I found a... Oh, look, Peppa Pig. Guys, I found a purple key. What's the purple key used for? Oh no, Peppa Pig isn't being liked anymore.
That's why she wants to be evil.
Because no one likes her anymore?
Yeah.
That doesn't make any sense. Oh, look, it's Piggy. Hi, Peppa Pig. Hey, Piggy, what's up?
Peppa Pig!
Move. I have some work to do. Shoot, we need a hammer. Has anyone got a hammer? Please don't tell me you brought Piggy down here with you. There's a huge gap of people I would kind of... Oh, come on. Do we even need it? No, we're trapped. I trapped myself. No.
What the heck is wrong with Piggy's body?
I don't think it fully... hello? Are you just gonna sit there?
I think she's trying to trap herself. Oh, go.
Really? I thought I was gonna stay there, wait for her to attack me.
Well, you could do that.
Why would I do... Oh, she's coming up. Oh. I literally saw the bat go across my screen. No!
Oh!
She was literally chasing me.
Oh.
She was literally chasing me.
Well...
That's a pretty good thumbnail, actually. She just straight up chased me. That's not nice. I don't know. What am I supposed to do for the rest of this video? Play what? Play what? The spectators? I'm supposed to spectate all these people? Oh, that person's being chased. This guy looks like Sketch.
Yeah, it kind of does.
It's not Sketch, though. His name is Carter. How did you find that key? Wait, did you find that key? What key was he holding? I don't remember what key he was holding. Oh, God.
Look at him from a direct angle.
What do you mean look at him from a direct angle?
Like, do not look at him from the side. Can you, like, not?
Why? What are you doing? Stop. You just made it even worse. How did you move it?
You use this. Push it right there.
Oh, wow.
Do you feel dumb?
I do feel dumb.
I handled computers multiple times. He just yeeted.
Yes, this guy's actually good. Oh, yep. Oh, I thought he died. I thought he died there.
Wait, how did he do that?
I don't know. He somehow teleported from the attic to the first floor. This guy seriously looks like a sketch. Except for the glasses.
He's probably a hacker.
I don't think so. Uh-oh. Run, Carter. Run, Carter. Oh.
Piggy,
Okay.
he's chasing that other guy. We should look at the other guy, how he's being chased by Piggy. Can you, see from his personality, first person?
No, I don't want to.
Come on.
Cause I don't want to. No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Uh-oh, there's Piggy.
Jump, commit suicide.
Don't commit suicide. That's mean.
Well, it's a normal, common thing. What?
Well, nothing. Why is he holding? He's holding my purple key.
Oof.
He took my key.
Let's see what that key leads to.
No!
No, Carter!
Carter's dead. Carter just died.
Why wouldn't Carter move? Carter!
He was pretty much trapped. Oh, wait. Oh, bacon hair guy. You got a bacon hair noob. Oh, nope. He just died.
How did he die? Oh.
Piggy's right there.
Oh.
Piggy's right there. Or at least what you can see of him.
Next.
Are you good now, Zoe?
Ooh, this guy's still alive.
Looks good, I guess.
Uh-oh. There's Piggy. Oh, wait. There's still 3 people alive. What's Piggy just doing? Why is Piggy just standing there?
There's probably more, but you just don't know.
Oh, this guy's just straight up left. Alright, this girl's still alive.
That guy was probably playing on phone. That's why it probably took him so long.
No!
Oh.
What the frick?
Are you okay, man?
Hello, Mr. Grassman.
Are you okay, dude?
Right, it seems that there's only 2 people left alive. This girl, and the green grass guy.
Green grass guy?
The grass guy.
This guy looks like a guy.
No, that's quite clearly a girl.
She found a green key, I'm pretty sure. Is that a green key?
Yes,
Oh, yeah.
Yes, it's cool. What color do you think it was? Purple?
Yep. Wait, no, because you had the purple key?
Yes, no, I had the purple key. I just thought it was the first color that came into my mind, and apparently that was purple.
What if she survives the whole entire game?
Well, she's got 3 minutes to do so. She's got 3 minutes and 20 seconds to do so. Oh, wait, there's 3 people. Wait, hold on. Wait, what? Hold on. I literally looked on my thing, and there was only...
What?
Stuff. Where'd the green grass guy go? He probably died. Where are these people coming from?
4 people so far.
Wait, where did these people come from? Oh, that person's dead, I think. Oh, Jesus. Where did these people come from? They weren't in the game earlier.
AJ?
What?
I think that, you do a game and then when you press play, it just sends you into a server, even if it's, a low server.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Oh, I thought that person was dead. Run,
Alan.
Alana.
I'm sorry,
I don't.
what?
What is her name?
Alea?
I don't know. What is her name?
Play. It's it has a P.
That's not a P.
I know, but
There's no P.
what if it was play, but with the A?
LA.
Alea. Yeah.
I guess we might as well stop. She's dead. Funny guy. Alright, funny guy. What's up, funny guy?
Funny guy 2412. You gotta listen to that stuff, AJ.
Whatever.
Oh yeah.
Well, guys, I don't think it really matters because this video is just about over. I barely got to play the actual game, so I think I'm done. I only got to do 1 round and I died immediately. Goodbye, guys. Later.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, whatever, I guess. It's not like people really watch the channel anyway. Goodbye.